Welcome to Quinn Sprint. I hope everything's going well for you. Today, we're going through 30 important AP chemistry questions that are highly relevant for the 2026 AP. Easy level. What particle has a positive charge? Proton. The atomic number tells you the number of what? Protons. Which element is a noble gas? Helium. What state of matter has a fixed volume but no fixed shape? Liquid. pH below 7 means the solution is acidic. Which bond involves sharing electrons? Covalent. H2O is the chemical formula for water. Which element symbol is Na? Sodium. What is the center of an atom called? Nucleus. Which is a physical change? Melting ice. Medium level. What charge does an electron have? Negative. Which element is a metal? Iron. The periodic table is arranged by increasing atomic number. Which one is a compound? CO2. Which state of matter has particles far apart? Gas. How many protons are in carbon? Six. Which type of bond forms between Na and Cl? Ionic. What happens when an atom loses an electron? Becomes a positive ion. Which group on the periodic table is most reactive? Alkali metals. What does AQ mean in a chemical equation? Dissolved in water. Hard level. Which subatomic particle has no charge? Neutron. Which is an example of a chemical change? Rust forming. What is the chemical formula for table salt? Sodium chloride. Which pH value is most basic? (13). What is released in an exothermic reaction? Heat. What does a catalyst do? Speeds up reactions. Which is a diatomic molecule? Dioxygen. Which particle is smallest? Electron. Which unit measures temperature in chemistry? Kelvin. Which is a base? Sodium hydroxide. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.